Hello everyone, my name is Adrian Rafa and I'm study at Universitas Al Azhar of Indonesia. I will give a summary of the novel Pride and Prejudice. Pride and Prejudice is a novel by Jane Austen that was first published in 1813. This story tells the life of the Bennet family, especially Elizabeth Bennet, the second of 5 children. The story begins with the arrival of Mr. Charles Bingley. He is a rich man from Netherfield Park. Mrs. Bennet is very excited because she hopes that one of her daughters will marry Bingley. Mr. Bingley is immediately attracted to Jane Bennet, Miss Elizabeth's older sister. While Miss Elizabeth meets with Mr. Bingley's friend, Mr. Fitzwilliam Darcy, who is initially considered arrogant and haughty. Miss Elizabeth and Mr. Darcy often disagree, mainly because of their initial misunderstandings and prejudice towards each other. Miss Elizabeth also received attention from Mr. Collins, a priest who is also the heir to the Bennet family house, but Elizabeth rejected his proposal. Mr. Collins later married Miss Charlotte Lucas, Miss Elizabeth's best friend. Conflict develops when Miss Lydia Bennet, Miss Elizabeth's youngest sister, runs away with Mr. Wickham, an irresponsible officer. However, Mr. Darcy secretly helps arrange their marriage, thereby saving the Bennet family's reputation. Finally, Miss Elizabeth realized that Mr. Darcy was actually a kind and loving man. The misunderstanding between them is resolved and they confess their feelings of love to each other. The novel ends with the weddings of Elizabeth and Mr. Darcy and Miss Jane and Mr. Bingley. The conclusion of this novel is that it discusses social class, marriage, family, and morality, as well as social critique of the norm of British society in the 19th century.